So this is an interesting scenario. I'm going to now plug in the charger with the battery connected. There we go. And we should see the BQ737 start to work. I'm not sure if that's normal behavior, as it is charging the battery at the moment. It is a orange light on the charger. Where did it go? It disappeared. It's still got an orange light. I think it cut off. Now I'm going to disconnect the charger. We have another battery here, which I suspect it is working. As this battery was only replaced because insufficient length time from another client. And here we go. Plug in, charger. We're on the 40 something degree, and we've got orange light again. The BQ chip is there. It's started to get hot again. Same behavior, which is normal. Maybe not. Getting more hot. I think those are reflections we can ignore. Really. Let's see if this will also cut off at the same time, like the other one. Oh, this one also disappeared. Maybe it's come up. Let's check the battery position. Yeah, it came off its position a little bit, sorry. I think I'm going to replace this chip. Okay, what do you think of this behavior?